And what's wrong with it? Why isn't it coming out?
It's lathered in paint. Someone thought it would be a good idea to paint it. Have you seen my little...
So just for recording purposes, what are you doing?
I'm just trying to take this door off so I can just plane the bottom of it, but
Because it doesn't close or it stays stuck in the frame. And what's wrong with it? Why isn't it coming out?
it's lathered in paint. Someone thought it would be a good idea to paint it. Have you seen my little hand?
No. Is it in the box downstairs?
Probably.
Okay, cool.
Well, it's like it's sealed off there. This little bit is exactly its own little bit. Very strange. And this bit is another little bit.
You might be able to go up there and look.
Yeah, I think we're going to figure that one out. That's not that piece of crap.
Sorry, Ben. Not really. Okay, and here. No. And so I'm here putting my desk together so that I can work. And I will let you know how that goes. So this is our dinner today. I'll take a few pictures of the boxes so you know what we're eating. Ooh, albondigas. It looks yummy. I have to put it in the frying pan. That's like a fish pie sort of thing. And that's supposed to be pork, rice.
Try it.